There are your park lights. There are your headlights. There are your brights. Headlights and brights. There's your blinker. Passenger blinker. There's your horn. There's your wipers. Oh, and high speed too. We're gonna go around to the back here. Here are your tail lights, brake lights, driver blinker, passenger blinker, license plate light.
Turn the garage lights off, David. No, shut the garage door so I can show these. See that? There's the amp, the battery, oil pressure, tachometer. Go ahead and shut the garage door.
Yeah.
There's the temp gauge, fuel gauge. No, shut the garage door.
Yeah, I'm making sure you're
Thank you. Hard to see the dash lights in here. There's the dash lights, interior lights. Great car. There's your oil pressure, battery, tack, fuel, and your temp gauge, interior lights. We're inside. This AM radio does not want to work very well in here, so I am going to shut the car off so you can hear the you can hear the fan. It's a little noisy, but it works. And then low. They said from the get-go the clock never worked. I got a video. The Wonderbar radio works, but it's AM. It doesn't like to work well in this building. But there's the higher blower. Thank you for your business, my friend. Enjoy the car.